This is feedback for Arwa on WR1. First of all, make sure you fix your margins. So I made a video on formatting. I want you to go ahead and watch that in Edpuzzle, and it'll show you how to make your margins and everything. Mostly everything's correct, but just the margins that are left. Please delete this. Just leave the last 5 numbers of your ID, both places. And we're gonna your essay. Again, I think you're doing a great job. I like your ideas. I think you're on the right track. You're giving all of these causes, and then your essay's about the effects. Give a transition sentence here. So say something like, you know, we're looking at all these different causes and the increase of an accident. It's important to look at the effects, and then you go into this. Okay, can you fix this? This shouldn't be this much space between deciding here. Here is correct. This is exactly how much space it should be. This one is too much, so fix that. Also, you're putting these commas where you should be putting a full stop here in this first paragraph pretty heavily. Make sure you don't do that in your paper. Make sure you don't do that on the essay. Your first point that you make here, I like it. You wrote perhaps that they not attention in the street. Perhaps is such a weak word. I'd rather you say the first way that car accidents can hurt people is, and then go into you know, how the effect of car accidents can kill people or hurt people. So be sure. Don't just say perhaps or maybe. Here you said, I think this is the wrong word. I think you mean stole with the L. And here, I thought this was a great thing that you did here. You're saying you're giving a transition here. You're just saying third of all, or my third point for how bad drivers or car accidents, the effects of bad drivers is, you know, but don't just say thing. That's not academic. So say the third reason that bad drivers are causing killing people is the high number of hospitals or something, or whatever you're saying, but make this part more academic. Here, here you're missing a verb is. Here, I don't know what you're saying here. I think you're quoting somebody, but I don't know who Reach is. You need to be more clear about that. I like your ideas here, slower, angry. I think those are great ideas. The first one wasn't as strong. You were just saying that people are late to work. What does that have to do with being a bad driver? I'm not sure. But this one, I think those are great. This was a little unclear. So make those changes, upload into week 5, and also print it out and bring it on Thursday.